Picture this. You're at the perfect spot, lighting is insane, everything looks cinematic, but there's nobody there to film you. Happens all the time, right? But what if you didn't need anyone? Today we're checking out the DJI Air 3S, and honestly, this thing feels less like a drone and more like your personal camera crew. Welcome back to Drone Dominator. Alright, let's get into it. First thing, you pick it up and it just feels solid. It's compact, folds up nice, easy to throw in your bag, but don't let the size fool you. This thing is powerful. You've got a dual camera setup. One for wide cinematic shots, and another for zoom, and not that cheap zoom either. This actually looks clean. So yeah, you can stay far back and still get that pro-level shot. Now the video quality, it looks really good. 4K footage, sharp details, colors look natural, not overdone. Whether you're shooting during the day or catching a sunset, it just handles it well. And stabilization, super smooth. Even if there's a bit of wind, your footage still comes out clean. No shaky mess, no weird jitters, just smooth shots. Battery life is another win. You're getting around 40 minutes, which means you're not constantly stressing about landing every few minutes. Range is solid too. You can fly pretty far, and the connection stays stable. The live feed stays clear, controls feel responsive, no weird lag. Now real quick, now in the next part, I'm about to reveal something about this camera that you've probably never seen before. Alright, this is where it gets really interesting. Obstacle avoidance. This drone actually sees what's around it, trees, buildings, and avoids them on its own. So yeah, if you're new to drones, this helps a lot. And even if you're not, it just makes flying way more relaxed. Then you've got all the smart features. Active Track is probably my favorite. You just select yourself and it follows you. Walking, running, doesn't matter. It keeps you in frame. Quick shots and master shots are there too. Tap a button and boom, cinematic clips ready. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you want to see next. Back to it. One thing I really like, it's super easy to use. You don't need to be a pro. Controls feel natural. App is simple. You figure it out pretty fast. Now let's be honest, it's not cheap. And if you're just flying for fun once in a while, you probably don't need all this. But if you're into content, YouTube, travel videos, this makes a huge difference. This isn't just a drone, it's basically a flying camera system. So yeah, final thoughts? The DJI Air 3S is powerful, easy to use, and packed with features that actually matter. If you want clean cinematic shots, long flight time, and something reliable, this is definitely worth it. And once you start using it, it's hard to go back. This is Drone Dominator. I'll catch you in the next one.